Hello. Today I'm going to show you an amazing tool called Google Translate that you can use to translate the texts you don't understand from any language into your language. So let's get started. Let's type www.translate.google.com. Perfect. One more thing we have to do before we start explaining Translate Google. Open a new tab and you can see here we have shortcuts to our bookmarks, but if we open one page, shortcuts disappear. So here in the empty tab, let's click in this area with the mouse, with the right click, and choose Show Bookmark Bar. Bam. Now we can check here, refresh, and our bookmark bar is now visible on any page. Okay, let's continue. So Google Translate. On left side, we have a language that we are translating from, and on the right side, it's a language that we are translating to. So let's start it. First, let's just type one sentence. For example, I am learning programming. English is detected, that's right. If it wasn't, then we can still manually choose it. And here we set it for Serbian. We can set any other language. So we want to translate to Serbian language. And here we can see the translation. It's an awesome tool, really. Now I can show you another amazing page that you probably already know, but let's just check it out again. So whenever you have like some questions, what is this exactly? You need the definition or some basic description. You want to open certain encyclopedia about that. So we have a internet encyclopedia and it's called Wikipedia. So we can basically just type into Google here, or we can also type it here, it's the same. So we type wiki and what we want to know about, for example, JavaScript. JavaScript is a language that we will be learning in ESOVA lessons in the next weeks. So wiki and JavaScript, and it gives you hits, Wikipedia, JavaScript, you can click and you get an article about JavaScript. Sometimes articles are also available in other languages. So if you go scroll down a little bit on the left side, you see all the possible languages for this certain article. So for this article, we are lucky, we even have a Serbian translation. Okay, so now let's try another search in Wikipedia, wiki, and we were learning about bookmarks before. So let's check this out. And let's check the second hit because we're talking about bookmarks on the World Wide Web. And here's the article about the bookmarks that we are using. But here there is no translation into Serbian language. So what do we do if we don't understand? Remember, I showed you Google Translate before? So now we can go and copy the whole text. So we click a mouse and just drag and mark it whole, and then we copy. We can do copy with Control and C. So we click Control button, hold it, and then click C. If you are on Mac, then you do the same, but Command C. And we go back to Google Translate, delete this, and we will paste now what we copied. So we click Control, hold it, and click V to paste, or Command V if you're on Mac. And voila, we have English text, and here we have a Serbian translation. So now we can understand the article in Wikipedia. These are really, really awesome tools. And because we want to use them in the future, we need to save them in our bookmark bar. So I prepared a new folder, but I will delete it now so we can do it again. How do we create it? We can again just right click and add a folder, or we can click here, choose another folder, and then we can add another folder here. But this one, I think it's way easier, so let's do it here. So right click with the mouse, add folder, and we will call it help folder. So here we can give all the help tools, sorry, help tools. We can add all the things like Google Translate and Wikipedia and all these things here. So let's just go to the beginning of translate.google.com. And now we want to bookmark this. We can do it with a star, but there is another way. I will show you the trick. We can just click here on this icon and drag it into our map, into our folder. Ta-da! Do you see? And we have Google Translate. And we can also say Wikipedia, wikipedia.com. Again, we just drag the thing. Be careful where, because if we are not thorough, we will just throw it into the wrong folder. So into help tools, and we let it go. So now we have two more new bookmarks, Google Translate and Wikipedia. Great. So don't forget about these tools, and we continue with new awesome stuff in the next lesson.